another hair stroke tip is this, no? A lot of artists tend to have a solid or tend to have solid ends instead of, ends that taper off as very, very thin. Tapos dito sa gitna, it's kind of thick. So, an exercise that you can do, and it's what I do also, is I make some dots as practice and make sure that the dots in the middle of your pattern are the ones that are thick, yung nasa middle. And then, you try to connect the dots. And you can observe as well that as you go towards the middle, mas makapal yung stroke. And then, going towards the end, numinipis ulit yung stroke. So, with this kind of, idea, all strokes in nano brows should always be thin, thick, and thin. So, if we're not going to work on the dots and we're just going to do it manually, so you start as thin, and then you build up, build up, build up, and end it like that. So that's how you do a stroke, and that's how you are able to make strokes really defined and smooth and not shaky and not crooked. This one is machine work, and then as you can see as well in this work, there's highlighting, meaning we try to define what should be even more thicker. And then towards here, towards the head, there's the thin middle section and the thin section. So if you can work with that and you can practice with that, you would be able to achieve polished strokes, polished hair strokes, and polished brows. That's all.